fantasies. A lone rider in black whispers through ghostly reeds, with a 6-gun in his holster and a Bible in his hand. He's searching for redemption in this cold, forsaken land. Crosses on the hilltops where the moon hides his face. Silver wolves are howling, echoing my disgrace. The church bells tolling, calling aching souls to pray, but the night's too filled with demons to keep the darkness at bay. Riders of the midnight storm, we wander where the angels mourn, in a land where the shadows swore. We're searching for a heart that's born. Oh, rustic path leads to a graveyard of deceit, where every stone's a story of the wicked on repeat. A ghostly choir hums a sorrowful refrain, harmonizing with the thunder of this lonesome outlaw. The saloon's swinging door creaks like a haunted dream. Faces pale in candlelight, nuns as they sing. Whiskey's in my veins, but faith's in my soul. A dichotomy of darkness where light has no control. Oh, riders of the midnight storm, we wander where the angels mourn, in a land where the shadows swore. We're searching for a heart that's born. Riders of the midnight storm, we wander where the angels mourn, in a land where the shadows swore. We're searching for a heart that's warm. Riders of the midnight storm, we wander where the angels mourn, in a land where the shadows swore. We're searching for a heart that's warm.
Got a 12-gauge pump and a shotgun seat, 6 rounds in a barrel, looking for a little heat. Got the pedal pushed down to a 90 and a 50. I'm dying trying to give it down. Well, I usually don't get stirred up like this, but I'm tired of the fake love and all the fake shit. If you ain't riding with me, get the fuck out of my way. Ain't got time for the lame shit today. Get out of my way, out of my way, out of my way. But I can guarantee you won't meet another motherfucker like me. Keep talking that shit like you can't bleed. All bark, no bite, you a hating ass bitch. Brought a knife to a motherfucking gunfight. Got my shades on looking like I can't see, but I can pick up on him pretty easily. like a boutique hound tracking blood on the ground. But I'm the last of a dying breed. I'm on a one-lane blacktop straight from hell, souped up red 69 Chevelle. Got the birds flying out in the back rear view. If you don't like me, it's a big fuck you. We can get this thing rolling anytime that you want. Step up to the plate, but I know that you won't. I can smell fake shit from a mile away. Ain't stopping, better get the fuck out of my way. Get out of my way. But I can guarantee you won't meet another motherfucker like me. Keep talking that shit like you can't bleed. All bark, no bite. You a hating ass bitch brought a knife to motherfucking gunfight. Got my shades on, looking like I can't see, but I can pick up on you pretty easily, like a boutique hound tracking blood on the ground. But I'm the last of a dying breed. But I can guarantee you won't meet another motherfucker like me. Keep talking that shit like you can't bleed. All bark, no bite. You a hating ass bitch brought a knife to a motherfucking gunfight. Got my shades on, looking like I can't see, but I can pick up on you pretty easily, like a boutique hound tracking blood on the ground. But I'm the last of a dying breed.
Whiskey river flowing, ain't no time for tears, I've left them all behind. Dust on my boots, riding down these broken roads. Life's been tough, but I carry a heavy load. The world might crumble, but I'll stand tall. Whiskey by my side when the shadows